Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes mastering SEO easy? Well, guess what? Dreams do come true. If you've ever tried to crack the SEO code, you know how challenging it can be. Backlinks, keywords, rankings, it can all feel like deciphering an alien language. And let's be real, most SEO tools are either too expensive or so complex they leave you scratching your head. No matter where you are in your SEO journey, beginner or pro, you won't want to miss this deal. Let's break it down and discover how SheerSEO works. What is SheerSEO? SheerSEO is a comprehensive SEO platform designed to simplify and optimize your search engine strategy. It helps track rankings on Google, Bing, and YouTube, analyze competitors, and monitor website health. SheerSEO is an all-in-one platform that helps you track rankings, analyze competitors, and optimize your website's health. Whether it's Google, Bing, or YouTube, SheerSEO has your back. From small businesses to web design agencies, it's built for anyone looking to refine their SEO game. And trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Regular SEO software can cost hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars annually. But SheerSEO offers a one-time lifetime deal starting at just $49 on AppSumo. That's right, pay once and enjoy forever. Let's take a look at the plans available. License Tier 1, price $49, originally $120. Features: track 75 keywords, perform 2 site audits per month, analyze 2,000 pages monthly. License Tier 2, price $98, originally $240. Features: track 150 keywords, perform 4 site audits per month, analyze 4,000 pages monthly. License Tier 3, price $147, originally $360. Features: track 225 keywords, perform 8 site audits per month, analyze 8,000 pages monthly. Need more? Upgrade to meet your growing demands. SheerSEO scales with you. Link in the description for more details. Don't wait, prices increase soon. 7 most important features that make SheerSEO special. Automated rank tracking. Track your search rankings on Google, Bing, and YouTube and see historical trends for your keywords. Competitor analysis. From backlinks to keywords, discover what's driving their traffic and then do it better. Backlink quality assurance. Get alerts for your most valuable links and discover new opportunities to build high-quality backlinks. Keyword research powerhouse. Find the best keywords for your niche. SheerSEO offers difficulty estimates, keyword suggestions, and insights to help you dominate your market. Site health monitoring. Spot SEO issues and fix them before they affect your rankings. Regular site audits ensure your website stays in top shape. White-labeled reports. Create professional PDF and CSV reports with your branding. Perfect for agencies or freelancers managing multiple clients. Localization options. Optimize for local SEO by targeting specific countries, cities, zip codes, or even neighborhoods. With these features, SheerSEO is the ultimate SEO toolkit for businesses and freelancers alike. People who can benefit from SheerSEO: small business owners, web designers, freelancers, marketing agencies, e-commerce owners, content creators, SEO beginners. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Love the sound of SheerSEO? Ready for some extra savings? Here's how to grab an extra 10% off your AppSumo deal. Visit AppSumo's SheerSEO lifetime deal page. Sign up with an active email address. Check your inbox for the discount code. Apply the code and save even more. Reviews that SheerSEO lifetime deal on AppSumo gets. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out on this lifetime deal. For a one-time payment starting at $49, you'll get a powerful SEO platform that simplifies optimization, tracks competitors, and boosts your site's performance. Check the description for more details and grab your deal before it's gone. If this review helped you, hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Let's master SEO together with SheerSEO.